or cool down. 2 tablespoon na dry yeast, milk or fresh milk or evap milk, and mix. All ingredients to combine. Then mix 1, 2, 3 cup. 2 salt. 1, 2, 2. Yan. Siguraduhin natin, masahiin na natin yung ito. Pwede yung pagmasa natin. Then, for the 1 hour. Flour. Wash sugar. And for margarine or butter. Until the combine, wash your hands and then make a massage the pen, make like a dough, like the pen. It's a perfect patch. And pagulungin natin ang ating like this. Then peeling and close the side to side para maging lock niya. Then wow, so good. Ganyan na siya. Sa breadcrumbs. This one yung breadcrumbs. Magulong lang natin. Ayan. Perfect. Ulitin lang natin. Dito natin ilagay. After the dough, I want to rest in 30 minutes. 30 minutes to 40 minutes depende sa temperature ng iyong place. Perfect. So perfect, guys. Dikitin pa kaya natin ng bread kasi aalsa siya pag iwan.
This at 15 to 20 minutes.
So good, guys. And smell of Spanish bread.
So guys, this is finished product of Spanish bread. I want to taste later. Now, you need a rest or a cool down. Spanish bread, it's a perfect, guys. It's so fluffy inside. Texture is so good. This is my favorite bread. So good. Perfect.